Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 SLT quad cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright silver, it looks great. You got that chrome grille on it with your halogen headlights and your fog lights with the chrome bumper on it. Coming around the side here we do have our Bridgestone brand tires with our 20-inch rims. They look great. Coming up around here we do have our heated exterior mirrors with the turn signal, and we got the running boards along the bottom. Coming around to the back we got a 6-foot box back here. You got the 4x4, the SLT, you got dual tailpipes as well as the chrome bumper back here. Open this guy up. Looks great back here. Lots of room, and it does have the spray and box liner as well, so it won't be getting scratched up. Got our keys here, 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and 2 presses to activate the remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it nice and warm for you, or in the summer, get it nice and cool for you. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, we do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. This guy does bring in your mirrors. You have some chrome accenting, a handle here, some storage, and some more with a water bottle holder. Looks great in here as well. Very comfortable seats. The cloth is very nice. You do have the controls over the seat, so backward and forward, tilt and lumbar support. And then up here, we do have the controls over the lights. So our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, low beams, as well as the fog lights and your in-cabin light control there. And then up here, we do have the control over the turning signals, high beams, and windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up. Key in the ignition. And we're good to go. Now right in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have up there our battery and oil life. We got how many kilometers we have, which is 1,973. That's barely anything. You also have the temperature outside, the way you're facing, and all that. You can also switch that around to your vehicle info. You got your fuel economy, trip A and B. Then you have your audio, your stored messages, screen setup, and back to your speedometer. Now that is control from right here with your Bluetooth options. Horn in the center and your cruise control options right there. Around the back of the steering wheel, you got a volume up and down with the source changer. On the other side, there is a channel changer. And right in the center, you do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect. So you have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM, as well as your media tab if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. You have your controls over heated seats and heated steering wheel. You have your Uconnect apps right there, as well as your climate control. It is a dual climate for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You got the menu off, as well as your phone options right there. Right over here, we do have our gear shift, so you can just turn this guy just like this. And then we do have the control over the 2-wheel, 4-wheel low, and 4-wheel lock. And then over here, we do have our volume up and down, as well as the mute screen off. We have our hazard lights. Let's focus there. Our back button. Tuner and browser, AC, circulation, heat up and down, power, off auto, front and rear defrost. Then you got your traction control, tow and haul mode, heated seats and heated steering wheel. Some storage here, some more just down there. And then right in the center you do have your 3 cup holders with your armrest that doubles as a storage container. You got some coin holders right there, as well as right over here we do have a USB and an aux cord plug-in. You can fold this up and you got another seat under there. It does seat 6 people altogether. Plus you can fold this guy up and you do have another little compartment right underneath there. We do have our dual layer glove boxes right here, looking great with our owner's manual inside of them. And then up top we do have our universal garage door opener and the control over the little window in the back. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door you have that same chrome accenting, control over your windows, and a handle here. Looks great back here. Very comfortable seats. You can fold this guy up and this guy, and you got some storage just underneath there. As well, you can fold this down, and then you do have a flat surface to put stuff on top of. As well, you do have your cup holders just over there. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2017 Ram 1500 SLT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.